If you make documentary videos or interested in making them, this video is for you. Now with AI, anyone can easily create documentary videos and earn millions. Look, this channel has gained 3.8 million subscribers using this technique. And don't even ask about earnings. The earning ranges from 37k to 1110k, which is just insane. Amazing, isn't it? But you might be wondering, how can I make such videos? I don't know 3D animation or any 3D software. So how can I make these videos? But there is no need to worry. With the advent of AI, everything has been revolutionized. Now anyone can create such documentary scenes in seconds with AI. Welcome to the fastest, easiest way to create 3D cinematic shots for documentary videos and short videos using AI. So for this, we need to start with a killer prompt. A prompt is essentially a blueprint. If your blueprint is not good, then your project won't be as amazing. So for this, we need to go to the ChatGPT, and inside the custom GPTs, we will search for documentary style 3D image generator. You will find these two. You can pick any of these two. I'll pick this one. And then click Start Chat and just type in your prompt here. A man carefully analyzing an investigating board in an investigation room. Okay, analyzing, and press enter. And it takes a little time to analyze our request. And it has given us all these B-roll ideas. Now what we can do, simply copy the first one and then we'll go to any of AI video generator. And I use Envato Elements. If you are a freelancer or video editor, I do recommend that you must have the Envato Elements, because this is one place where you can get everything. Music, videos, images, files. You can even generate AI videos, AI music, AI audio, 3D models, and much more. So go to the Envato Elements, link is in the description section below. And then after coming to the Envato Elements, come to the Gen AI and select Video Gen. And over here, you can generate the videos. You can see it also has the Nano Banana included in this. So you have to just paste your prompt right over here. And then you have the option to choose the aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16. And you have this option, which is preview first frame, which is not available in the Google VO3. So here we get to know what our video look like in the final stage. So this would save you credit, and this is very good feature. And thereafter we can just press generate. But first of all, let's click on the preview first frame. Here we have the option to even enhance the prompt. So just click on the preview first frame and it would generate the first frame so that we get to know what result we are going to get. And you can see I generated this visual, but it has made one big mistake, that it has 3 hands, which we obviously don't want, though the scene is just amazing. So what we can do, we can ask it once again to give us the preview first frame. So it's going to generate again. So you have to decide which one is good. So now this one is very good and looking just amazing. So we can just download this, or we can set it as first frame. So we can also download it so that for the future, if we need to use it somewhere, we can use that. Just click on set this first frame, and then over here you will see all these options. We have to just click on the generate and then make sure you select the right aspect from here, 16:9 or 9:16 if you are using it for social media, but we are using for YouTube or long videos. So obviously we'll press generate, choosing the 16:9, and it will take some time. Meanwhile, let's copy another prompt and come back over here, and we can create another one and paste the same prompt over here and click on the preview first frame. So meanwhile, that would also be generating, and you can see it has generated the second scene like this one, but I don't like it, so I'll ask it to once again generate it. Let's see what it does. Again, it has generated this in black and white, which I obviously don't want black, so I'll just close it and try once more. All right, so again it has generated this in a black person, which obviously I don't want, because that is not our character consistency. If you face this kind of a problem, easy fix, and that is by generating the images first. So let's go to the image gen, and we'll generate our image first, and we can use the reference video and do that. So paste our prompt and choose landscape, and here we have the option to enhance the prompt, but I'll go with the normal prompt which ChatGPT gave us and click on the generate. So now it's going to generate the first frame. It's not going to generate one image but multiple images in multiple styles. So we can go for any style which we obviously like. So that way you can see there are so many things. I have also generated some other images. It just generates very stunning images. So you don't have to use the mid journey, just gives you right away. So I like this one or this style. So I can just click on this. I can even edit this with AI. I can remove background and do many more stuff with this. So I'll click on the download and I can set this as a style. So I'll click on the use style and thereafter we will paste that prompt once again, and let's copy another prompt and copy right over here. So it's going to give us the similar result. So let's paste it and press generate. But here we have just copied the entire prompt and it's going to generate the image not according to the style, but it will keep the character consistent or similar character. But if you want in the similar style, you have to give the simple prompts like the person is doing something and etc etc. So it has generated amazing stunning images. So I can download any of these and I like of these, and we can use these to generate our video in the video gen itself. Let's go back to the video gen now, and here we have the option to upload our frame or our image. So we'll click on the plus icon and we can just upload image, or we can even generate image right over here, but we'll upload our image since we have already generated it. So suppose I take this image and then I'm going to paste the prompt right over here, or you can simply even type the prompt in a simple way. But here we can choose the aspect ratio also, and then we have other options like you can turn on the sounds and the speech. In speech you get limited generations, but here without speech you get the unlimited generations for the moment. Later on, I don't know how long this is going to be unlimited, but for the moment it's unlimited. So let's generate it. So it's going to generate it. It sometimes take 1 or 2 minutes, sometimes even longer depending on the model it is using. And you can see it has generated this video, and this is just amazing. So you can use this in your documentary videos. Just download it right from here. And since the second one is also generated, you can see if we play it, you can see it's made some mistakes right over here because our prompt was not good. So what we can do, we can regenerate it. So we can edit our prompt by clicking on this pencil icon, and then if I remove all of these and I'll give it a simple prompt in the simple language, that way it works better what I have just experienced. So just click on the generate and it's going to generate this video for us. Sometimes it takes time. It chooses the different video generation models, and meanwhile let me show you, since it generates the videos in 720 pixels, you can make it 1080 using a Topaz Video AI, a software called Topaz Video AI. And here you can see, here we have some presets or resolution. We can choose 1920 Full HD or even 4K or even 8K, but I'll go for the Full HD. And here we have the option to adjust other things like we can apply grains, we can apply noise, and even if you just go with the default settings, it gives the best result. So once you have selected, you even have the option to make it slow motion, but the more slow motion would take longer to render it. But we'll just go for the simple Full HD and click on the export queue or quickly export, and in the export queue you can see this is working very fast because it utilizes your GPU. So Topaz Video AI is very good at enhancing videos or upscaling videos or even images. This one works for the videos, and you can see this is 820 by 1080 and this is in full resolution, and it gives you just amazing quality. Now you can use in your documentary videos. Let's go back and see whether it had generated our video or not. Let's go back to the Envato elements. Let me just close it, and you can see it had generated, and this time it has nailed it. In the beginning it has some issues, but you can see it has generated very amazing videos. You don't need any 3D software knowledge or animation knowledge. Just with the I give the prompt, generate the image, but all you have to do, you have to know the techniques which obviously I have taught you in this particular video. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. Already created a documentary editing full course on my Hindi channel, but that would also be right here in the English as well. Alright, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep editing and unleash the creative in you. Bye.